and officers of all the senior officers, deputy commissioners, CEOs, SPs, and DFOs. Team Karnataka. We work together. All the ministers participated in the committee meeting. We deliberated. Given a message that how the new government has to work. Great opportunity we have got. We are going to give a transparent government. And first thing on this vote, SIR, we've given them instruction. Every officer should go to every taluk, conduct a meeting of all the BLOs, booth level officers. They should map with the BLS, type with the BLS, and see that who are eligible should not lose their vote. Because if they lose their vote, they will not get visitors. So they should compulsory participate in the enumeration. This is what I will given. And apart from that, whatever the new programs I have given, either on the bus, free bus to the boys, students, Bharat Joda Yuva Sangha will be started. How that Sangha will be given, what they have to do. I have given them a message on that. And because rains are about only 35% of the rains, there may be a big problem connected to the manure. So be very cautious on those things. So we should try to sort out that problem, the water issue, and the drinking water which has to be facilitated to the villagers at this point of time. How to sort out this issue. And I have said that in the future for every town there should be a ring road to facilitate to see that all places will be grid connected. So all these things have to happen. So very detailed discussion I have made to them. Apart from that, every taluk and the district level there should be a place. They should not be harassed. So anyone who has corruption, they should inform immediately to the concerned officers. So all of them has to work unitedly. So the forest including we have to see that we implement the forest tax audit also, which the central government has passed. We should do them. So whatever the permission has to be given.
You said about that CSR model school.
And we want to see that the CSR model school, primary school, high school, from the panchayat, in the panchayat, every 3 panchayat, 1 school. Whatever our industries and the IT professions, whoever is working here, they should spend their money for primary education. We will give them a list of 2,000 schools. Let them select themselves. Let them build. It will be a government school attached to their name, so they can do it. And I will ask other institutions also to adopt one school for the to fill the teachers to see that it values. No school will be built up in the towns or the district headquarters. Only in the panchayat level. He doesn't want the people to come out of the villages to the cities. So we should stop them migrating to the urban sectors. This is one of the main area. That is what we have given.
You have vision about creating ring roads in all the taluks and districts.
All the cities should be towns should have a ring road. So that traffic movement is, see, time is money. They don't want to be stuck in the villages. So those who want to pass on to the different places, they should have a compulsory ring road. So that is what I have given a direction. So that is why I am speaking to all my deputy commissioners now only to mark that ring road. We may take that project later. A grid should be formed connected to that. That is the direction I have given to all of them.
So there's a lot of curiosity about your meeting with the Prime Minister, sir.
Of course, he has assured me that day one he just assured me that he consulted me. Day one he assured me that he will do full cooperation and he will help Karnataka because Karnataka is very much important. It is a global city. He also advised me to, on this towns, whatever the new towns which can be done around the city.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.